Possibly the most crowded and noisy town was an impression that I carried about Kathmandu the first time I was here in 2013. Over the years, the city has evolved, and so has my perception, as I saw the city growing on every visit. But you know what I absolutely love about Kathmandu? It's that despite these changes and adaptation to the demands of rising tourism, Kathmandu has retained its old world charm. I mean, walk through any street of Kathmandu and it's almost impossible to ignore how perfectly this capital city of Nepal blends its ancient traditions with modernization. Kathmandu is called as the living museum of Newari culture, and I couldn't agree more. I mean, it's almost impossible to not feel the vibes of Newar community at every corner of Kathmandu. The earliest known history of Kathmandu blends with the text recorded in the historical chronicles, which says that the creation of this valley was a giant lake which was drained after creating a gap in the surrounding hill. Today, the lake has dried up with almost no existence of it, but it has left behind a valley which isn't it only artistic but is also abundant in cultural heritage. The Kathmandu Valley was historically called as the Nepal Mandala and has been the home of Newar community for over 1,000 years. The beautifully carved windows, the brick mansions, the bronze sculptures, or the stupas. There is a reason why Kathmandu is not only the largest city of Nepal but is also known as the cultural capital of the country. There are endless ceremonial processions that can be seen on the streets of Kathmandu every now and then. The most talked about is Indra Jatra, the only time when you can see the living goddess of Nepal coming out of her abode and blessing the town. But that's not all about Kathmandu. Kathmandu is also a city which is blessed with most of the World Heritage Sites. The Darbar Square, which through its palaces and mansions demonstrates the skills of Newar artisans from centuries ago. And this is where you're also going to see the abode of the living goddess of Nepal, and you can meet her too. Talk about the largest Shiva temple, the Pashupatinath, or the largest stupa in the entire Asia region, the Bodhi Stupa, followed by a visit to the monkey temple Swayambhunath, makes it to the must visit in Kathmandu. Kathmandu is also incomplete without a visit to Thamel, which is not only the shopping mecca of Kathmandu but also preserves its culture and heritage.